Yo-ho, yo-ho. I'm gonna be right back. Okay? I will see you shortly. Oisho!
12 seconds later.
Oh, they're so strong. We're gonna try it again, deadbeats. I still have the water from before, so we're gonna try it again. Hold on. Let me go ahead and grab the water. Fuck my life. We're drinking water backwards. All right, count me down, deadbeats. We're going for 9 sips and no less. Okay, wow, they got worse. Yes, they did. Here we go. Here we go. Ready? Oisho! Oh, thanks, guys. I drank 10 sips, and I think we're okay. Holy smokes, I'm fine! Whoa! Nice! Kawaii! No, no, no. It worked! It worked! Yay! It's a shame some of you guys don't understand. You can save yourself from hiccups. Oh, it's Kusutori here. Howdy, Kusutori. I just cured hiccups. You should try it sometime. Yeah. Oh, whoa, chat going so brrr, I really can't read anything.